To the girl quietly hurting after a breakup, I see you. I truly do. See, when you ask me basic outfit suggestions, I'm on it. Big career moves, I'm on it. Marriage decisions, I can still try. But when you ask me how to deal with a breakup, I'm not a therapist and I might not have all the right words, but what I know is it's brutal to mourn the death of a love, isn't it? To say goodbye not just to a person, but to the version of yourself who imagined forever with them, to the dreams, to the silly little life you pictured together. And for someone like me whose biggest fear is losing people I love, that fear came true. In fact, loudly, in front of people, in front of millions even. And maybe it was just different for you. Maybe it was just one person or 10 friends they saw. And for women, the rules are always different. Seeker move on பண்ணாலும் problem, hurt ஆயிட்டே இருந்தாலும் problem, எதுவுமே பண்ணாம இருந்தாலும் still a problem. And they speak so loudly about your choices that you forget that you're even allowed to grieve. There's something Shah Rukh Khan says in Dear Zindagi, okay? We get so used to broken chairs that we start finding comfort in them because investing in something new feels too risky. And that hit me hard. We often settle in pain because healing feels unfamiliar and because we're not allowed to get it wrong. But hey, we are allowed to hurt. So what helped me? First thing, therapy. Not magic, not instant. Went through 5 therapists, hid it from my family, fumbled through it, found trust, and then told my parents. But eventually, it did help. Second, letting go of the why me. That question was a trap. What helped me was learning to be in the pain, feel it fully, and stop pretending to be strong when I wasn't. I didn't have to, and you don't have to too. Third, trusting love again, slowly, carefully. When it showed up for me, not in grand gestures, but in softness, in emotional intelligence, in patience. And you know what? I still carry scars, still flinch at intimacy sometimes. But I'm learning to let someone love the parts of me that I thought were too broken to hold. So basically, I know breakup is not just a phase and it's a loud echo that lingers. But like all echoes, it fades. So if you're hurting right now, please know that you're not doing it wrong. You don't have to rush. You don't need to be over it to be okay. And I think you just need to show up for yourself even when it's hard, even when the world doesn't get it. And one day, maybe quietly, maybe all at once, you'll realize that the heartbreak didn't break you. It just opened up space for something softer, something truer, something more for you to grow. And one day, your heart will feel like home again.